the agenda for today, can you hear me? Hello, hello. The agenda for today is how to use the solver on your calculator. Okay. And we're going to go into Mohr circle. Okay. As I said, I picked Mohr circle. So what if now you want to solve an equation that is 3x cubed plus by or minus by 4x plus 2.5 is equal to 0. Okay, so I'll show you how we can solve this on Excel. Do you know how to solve this on Excel or no? Yes, some no, some no. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to show you on Excel how you can do it easily. Okay, so you open your Excel spreadsheet. Okay, you let x equal to 2. That's an arbitrary number. Then you program, you can see the screen, yes or no? Then you program 3 times by x power of 3. That's your first term. The second term is equal to 4 multiplied by 2. And the third term is 2.5. The last term is basically you do the whole sum. So it's equal to this minus by the second term plus by the third term. Okay, so this is your 3x to the power of 3. Okay. So this is your 3x to the power of 3. This is your 4x. And this is your 2.5. Over here is equal. Okay. Then from here, you get the solver to help you determine what is your x value. Okay. You don't do this. Okay. 0.1. Okay. You don't do it yourself. Okay. So you go to data. Okay. You go to data and you will come to what if analysis comes in. So what if, and you go for goal seek. Okay. So you're going to set this has to be equal to what? 0. Okay. And for that to be equal to 0, you have to be changing this value over here. And then from then on, you put OK, and you just wait. So the computer is doing something and it is not having a very good time being successful. I wonder why. So that is not the right answer. Wait, maybe I change this to minus. Okay. If I change this to minus, it might work. Okay. That's me being silly. So I do it again. So I call this to be equal to 0.1. Okay. What if go seek? Okay. Again, this has to be equal to what? 0. And by doing that, it has to change the x and you go for go. Oh, this is not a good number again, Eugene. It's messing around. Okay. So maybe I have to change something. Maybe this equation is not a very good equation. Okay. So maybe by changing this to minus, it did not help. Maybe I change this to bigger. Maybe I change this to 20. Okay. So I change this to 20. What if? Okay. What if go seek again? This will be equal to 0. And by changing this. Okay. Go. Okay. So this is the answer now. 2.117123. We clear? Okay, so this is how you use the solver to help you solve. Okay, so what did we change? We changed the equation to over here to be minus what? 20. Okay, so if you substitute everything into there, okay, I'll do it again. So 2.11 1 is the answer. So I will do it again. So let's say we start from 0. 0 is not good. Start from 0.1. Okay, so again, I'll show you what if go seek. This value over here must be equal to 0 because your equation states that it has to be equal to what? 0. And by changing x, you click over here and there you go. And now you wait. Stupid thing not working. Okay, so this is not a good answer. This has to be equal to 0. So what if you change this to 5? Now, those of you who have studied numerical method will know why we are doing that, why we change it to equal to 5. Okay, you have not learned yet, but it's okay. So you click here and then it goes. There you go. Same answer, 2.11713. Okay, now, are computers allowed in your term test? We are going to use the calculator. Have you all learned how to use the calculator to do the solver, yes or no? Okay, I'm going to show to you now. Okay, we are going to solve using the same equation. And sometimes, if you could take out your calculator, we will do this together. You'll be fantastic. Okay, we are going to solve the equation over there. Okay, so what we're going to do first, we have to clear the memory on your computer. So the first thing is we have to switch on our what? Our computer over here. So I want you to press Shift, clear, or did you all do that already? Shift, clear, all, and press equal twice. Okay, I do it again. Shift, can you all see the word clear over here? Right, clear, and then press number 3, and then press equal. Can you all do that? I'll get more display on the document camera. Okay, can you see it now? Come on, come on. Okay, so the next thing I want you to observe is how to create the equation. Now, can you see the red alphabet A, B, C, D, E, and F? Yes or no? Okay, don't look at my calculator. Look at your own calculator. Okay, repeat again. Can you see A, B, C, D, E, and F? Yes or no? So we are going to key in that expression. Okay, so we are going to key in 3. Okay, and our x is going to be known as A. Okay, 3 times, press alpha, and then press A. Can you all get the A? Only one yes. Very good. Okay. You'll find this very useful if you can do this in. Would this affect your math? Maybe you can use it to check. Okay. Then after that, you have power shift, not shift. This is the power sign 3. Okay. Then the next thing we have, are we good with that? Then minus 4 times by alpha A. And then we are going to do minus 20. Can you enter that onto your calculator? We good to go? Okay. So the next thing, can you see the equal sign over here? On CALC button, you have a red equal sign. Can you see that? Yes or no? Good. You press alpha equal, and then you press 0. We got that? Okay. Then after that, don't do anything. Once you finish this, don't do anything. Okay. See what I'm going to do. From here, you press Shift solve. They ask you, is it going to solve for A? Can you do that? Shift solve. Okay. Then after that, have you done that? Then you go for shift, solve again. You got it? Huh? You got a number, but it's not the right number. Okay, so you got it? And solve also, right? Stupid calculator. Okay, let's do something that they can solve. Okay, come on. let's go for this. Okay, 2.5 x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. How's this? No, too easy. Let's go for x cubed. Okay, let's go for x cubed. Okay, let's try it. Okay, oh, this is, I told you this is the real stuff. Okay, not cooking show. Can you enter that and try to do it? So I'll do my 2.5 times by, I'm always doing this to myself, never rehearse and shooting myself on my foot, So we have what? 2.5 times by shift alpha power of 3 minus 4, right? Shift alpha equal to 0. Then I press shift stop, shift stop. Okay, let's do something simpler. Okay, it doesn't seem to like the x. Okay, let's do this. Okay, let's do this. It's okay. Let's do this. Maybe like this. So 2.5 x cubed minus by 2x squared plus by x minus by 3 is equal to 0. Let's try entering this. Okay, if I don't get this, we are going to do something easier. Okay. So shift clear or, okay, I'm probably going to get this in my grade evaluation or on grademyprofessor.com. Please not prepared. Power of 3 minus 2 times by shift alpha power of 2 plus by shift A, delay, plus by alpha A minus by 3 shift alpha equal to 0. Please. I did not pray this morning also, it's my bad. If you are required to solve an equation and it cannot be solved, I just want to look at the equation that you enter. Clear? I will not penalize you for not getting the answer. Okay, so have you all used this before? So you can use this to check your work. Are we clear? Actually, I thought you guys did in 3A, 2Q, but did not have the time. Okay, so use this. Okay, but the problem is this. It has limitation, as you can see, right? It cannot solve for some equation. Whereas if you go onto Excel, right? If you go onto Excel, it can be solved. Are we clear? Right? It's not impossible. So you can use Excel to help you solve your equation. This is because of how many of you have taken numerical methods? Right? You have taken numerical methods. You should know why there's such thing as truncation error and zeroing error. You will learn this in your 3rd year. Okay, those of you who have not learned it, this is one of the most interesting tools I learned during my undergrad. Are we clear? All right. Next, we are going to do something even more interesting. Okay. Okay. I know, I'm very fond of embarrassing myself. I have the art of doing that. Right. So the next thing that we're going to learn, we are going to learn Mohr circle. Now, most circle will not be tested in your term test. Okay, your term test is only whatever you have in your homework 1, homework 2, and from, okay, I'll write this out. So term test will be from homework 01 and homework 02, and it will be from your notes from week 101 on the Monday up to week 4 Monday. Yesterday's notes. Are we clear? Okay, because it's not fair to teach what I have to teach now to expect you to learn, to know what's the answer for the term test next week. Okay, right. So the first thing we're going to look at is we are going to look at the state of stress. So I'm going to introduce you to the word element. Okay. So this is an element